Okay, I'm going to very quickly go over how to set up Git and Visual Studio Code. So this is our schedule. I'm just clicking on this link here. For Windows folks, they can just download the exe here and get the Git installer and just hit next, and all the defaults are great for that. For Mac users, it's a little bit different. You can open up what's called terminal. So I'm going to command space and just type in terminal, and you'll get something that looks like this. And then we can just copy and paste this little bit of code here. Xcode select dash install. All that's doing is it's downloading, installing Apple's command line tools. I already have them installed, but if you'll get a little dialog box that just says install from Apple, and you can give yourself maybe 20 minutes to do that. It takes a little while to get all those installed. Okay, once that's going, we can close out a terminal, so I'll just command Q that. And then we can download and install Visual Studio Code. So that's just the link that's right here. We can click that. And of course mine shows download for Mac OS, so I can click that and it'll download, and I'll just save it and open it up. And I already have it installed on my computer, but same as Git, you could just open it up, double click it if on Windows. On Mac, just drag and drop this into applications, and all the defaults are fine for the installation process. Okay, so once you have Visual Studio installed, I'll go ahead and search for it, Visual Studio Code, and I'll open it up. And it looks like this. You may get a little welcome to Visual Studio Code. You can click any color scheme, theme you want, as long as you get to this page. What we are going to do with Visual Studio Code is hit this little extensions thing, and we're going to install one extension. It's called p5.vs code. So I'm going to type that in and make sure it's this one. There's a whole bunch of them. This is one by Sam Levine, and we're just going to click the install button, and it'll install about 2 seconds, and you'll have the extension ready to go. One other thing you can do is under View Command Palette, if you type in install code, there's this little shell command, install code command in path, and click that and press OK and put in your admin credentials, and that'll install a little helper tool on your computer. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to worry about it. And that's Visual Studio Code all set up for you guys.